this video I will tell you how you can connect PayPal with your client's website without any PayPal logins or API keys. You will not even need your client PayPal email address to add in the WooCommerce. So here I have created the website for a client which is currently under process. So if you want to create a website, you can go to my channel and you can search for e-commerce. And here you can see I have created a 20-minute long video to create an e-commerce website. By watching this video you will be able to create a complete e-commerce website on WordPress. I am also creating a Shopify course that you can see over here. I will provide the link of this course in the description of this video. So if you want to connect the client PayPal with the WooCommerce, you can simply go to WooCommerce and settings. So this feature was not available earlier, but now it is very simple to use this process to connect the client PayPal with the WooCommerce. Here we are into WooCommerce settings. Now we will go to payments. Okay, so here you can see PayPal is currently not installed, so we will go to plugins and add new. Here search for PayPal. And here you can install this very first plugin. Activate. So the plugin is installed. Here you can see, and now we can go to settings. Here you don't need to activate PayPal or do anything. So you can just directly send this link to your client and he will be able to click on activate PayPal and connect his PayPal account. So earlier you had to request to client that he should send you his PayPal email address and the API keys, secret keys. So they find it very difficult to find the API keys and the secret keys. So that was getting very difficult for me as a developer as well, and I suppose it was difficult for you as well. So now with this new update in this plugin, you can activate PayPal by just clicking on this button. So you can just copy this link and send the logins to the client as well, and he can just open this link in the new tab. So he can just open this link in his browser. When he will click on it, he will see this page right here, and he will just click on activate PayPal to connect his PayPal to the website. So it's very simple now to connect the PayPal for clients on the WooCommerce website. So thank you for watching this video, and like this video and subscribe to my channel for more related videos.